Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check your Instagram followers gender. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have opened my Instagram application, and first thing first, if you want to check your Instagram followers gender, you need to switch from personal account to professional account. You can go to your profile and then you can go to the Instagram setting and privacy. Click on this three lines and select the settings and privacy, and here you can go to the account tools and control. Okay, then you can click on switch account type, and you have to switch from a personal account to professional account. And here I have activated my professional account. And then if we want to check our Instagram followers gender, we can go to the insight, click on the three lines again and go to insights. Okay, then here you can go to the total followers. Okay, and here you just need to scroll down until you find the information about gender. Okay, and this is my Instagram followers gender. Alright guys, and that's all the way to track Instagram followers gender. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.